Wepa, retired comedian here, and today I am going to tell you the secret to become financially sexy. I want you to be financially attractive. I want those people that are around you to be drawn by your aura of just being so financially sexy. And there's only 3 rules to be really financially sexy. Number 1 is that person that's financially sexy knows how to grow their money. That means that person doesn't necessarily have just cash laying around in a bank account, you know what I'm saying? Because right there, the fiat money is just worthless. Because inflation is happening, they're printing this money, so just parking your hard-earned money on a not high yield savings account is really bad, man. It's really bad. So you gotta grow that money, whether you're building businesses that are like building that cash flow, whether you're investing that money and making that money grow for you through your investments, whatever it is. But if you want to be financially sexy, number 1, you gotta grow that money, boy. You gotta grow that money. Number 2, you gotta manage that money. If you grow your money, but you don't know how to manage your money, it's gonna be very tough for you to really have fully that financially sexy thing. So you gotta learn how to manage your money. Manage your money. Make sure that when you have your money in your pocket or you have it in your hand, it doesn't disappear. You know, you got to manage that appropriately. Put it in the different buckets that you have prepared for your life and for your financial things, whether it's credit card debt that you're paying, whether it is another account that you're putting, investing and paying yourself first more than anything, whether it is putting on other businesses that you're starting or currently doing. Whatever it is, you got to manage that money properly. Put those money to the proper boat so it keeps growing and you keep managing like a sexy person does. And number 3, you stop the worthless consumerism. Come on, man. I know for a fact that America, the commercials, the news, the internet, the Facebook ads, everything tells you, you gotta buy this, you gotta buy that. Go to Amazon, buy it right now, purchase it. But a lot of those things are worthless consumerism techniques that are getting planted into your brain and makes you spend on things that don't grow your money, on things that don't allow you to have more freedom in your life. So you gotta stop the worthless consumerism spending. So those are the 3 keys in order for you to be financially sexy. You know what I'm saying? You got to grow that money. You got to manage that money. And for sure, you got to stop that worthless consumerism spending. If you do those things, I promise you, your life is going to take off to a new level. And don't get me wrong. If you want to buy things, buy things. But just evaluate why you're buying it. Are you pressured to buy it because it's the latest thing, you want to keep up with the Joneses, or are you buying something because you actually need it and it's actually something that's worth it and it's something that's going to propel you to the next level? Just evaluate how you're doing it and stay financially sexy. You know what I'm saying? From a retired comedian to y'all, take care and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.